and welcome to the channel. My name is Sandy and this is the Sister Cousins Lifestyle channel. In today's video, I'm just going through my fall decor and looking at what I have, kind of shopping my home before I start to display the fall decor. Just kind of doing some planning for what I want to do for the season. August is next week and I start doing my fall decor in August, so it's that time and I'm super excited. So if you'd like to see what I have, it's kind of like a haul, but it's of stuff that I already have, and some of this stuff may come as a surprise to me because I've forgotten about it since last year, you know what I mean? And sometimes, like, I shop off season, so at the end of the season you buy things and you put them away and then you forget you have them. So that's what I'm doing today, is I'm just kind of going through my stash to see what I have. And I said, just turn on the channel and let's do some chit-chatting while I do that. So if you'd like to see all the fall decor that I already have in my home that I won't be buying this year because it's about using what you have, then just keep watching. Now what I have are a bunch of pumpkins. I'm like obsessed with pumpkins. I love unique pumpkins, and this is one. It kind of reminds you of the Mackenzie Childs. It's not. It's from Ross year before last, I think, and it was $10.99. Super cute, black and white. So I probably will find a place to use that this year. The thing about it is I'm going with different colors. Actually, let me stop and kind of show you the colors that I'm going to do. Then we'll come back to this. Okay. All right, those are the pumpkins. Some of the pumpkins. I got some more. I got that container over there, but we'll get back to that. Let's go in this room here. Now, the last time I showed this room was when I decorated for the summer, and I did this olive green with the idea that for the fall that I'm going to keep this olive green, but I'm going to switch out the animal print and I want to bring in more earthy tones. And I'm thinking about rust color. So I have this that I got the other day. I went in Ross, not to get in any trouble or nothing, but just to look around. And this is an example of one of those items that you just can't keep. I mean, just can't leave. So this was $6.49 for 2 pillows. And these are so pretty. I love that color. Is that not pretty? And I like it with the green. I think that's going to look so pretty. So that's going to be the color that I'm bringing into this room. So if I do any pumpkins or anything like that, it's going to need to complement either this olive green or this rust color. But I think I'm going to like that together. Very earthy. This is going to be my earth tone room. Now, on contrast, I've got this room that we decorated together recently, and I'm keeping this burgundy. So I do need some burgundy, pumpkins, or either the cream color, whatever way I go. I'm actually going to use the cream color as I'm talking this through because I know I already have pumpkins in that color and I'm not going to invest a lot this year. So burgundy it is. So now let's go back to the stash and see what I have. So I've got these cream colored, they're actually picks, and I could do, these in a base or something like that if I wanted to, or I can do like a swag across the dresser. I'll have to figure that out, but I think I definitely will be using those for this season. I've got this one too, but I'm not really feeling this one. Actually, I am grateful because I'm always grateful. I was just thinking about that shiny silver on there. I wasn't sure about that, but I think I will. And I probably will use that over my cabinets. I like to put some decor up there. So that'll be perfect for that. These over here, I've got this metal one. These are really small. So if I use these, it may be like as vase fillers or something like that. Let's see what else is down in here. I don't want to miss anything, forgetting that I have it. Oh yeah, I forgot about these. Really like these. These are candles with the tree bark look on them. Like those. So I will probably pull those out if I can find the other one. Yeah, what's this one? Black and gold. Definitely will be using black and gold because that's what I'm doing in my bedroom. And Here's another. Look how dirty these have gotten. I got to do a better job of storing these so that they don't get messed up. I don't know what that is, but that should wipe off of there. All right, let's go over here. Now I have this bin here. Oh my gosh. This is mostly my traditional colors that I have in there that I really haven't used in a long time. So let's see what's in. Oh, here's some kind of burgundy. I didn't think I had any burgundy. There you go. See, there's an advantage to pulling your stuff out and going through it. And I'm definitely going to be doing this when the time comes for Christmas, because I got a lot of Christmas stuff and I get caught up out there when they start putting that decor out, which is already out, by the way. Isn't that crazy? Christmas stuff is already in Hobby Lobby. All right. I'm not going to pull a lot of this out because I can see it's a lot of my traditional picks and things like that. And I'm not sure that I'm going to use any of those colors. We shall see. Probably will do a tablescape at some point and include those. So I definitely want to keep those out. These are just some silver plates. I've really been into animal print in these last couple years, so I've got a lot of animal print decor. Last year I actually did a whole animal print Christmas tree that I absolutely love, and I'm thinking about doing that one again when the time comes. Oh, here's a pretty, ooh, this is glam glam. Not sure about this for this year. Now you probably saying, why do you have so many pumpkins? Pumpkins are basically the only fall decor that I do. I'll do wreaths and things like that, but around the home, I like to use pumpkins as vase filler. So I really like when Dollar Tree or Dollar General puts out their pumpkins because they're very inexpensive and it's a nice little way to create, you know, a little vignette or just to put some in a vase or whatever. I just like the look. Very effortless, very inexpensive, but yet it's the touch of the season. So I'm gonna give you an example. All right, so we're in my guest bathroom, and the other day I went to the thrift store, another amazing find, and I found these two apothecary jars. I brought them home, I disinfected them, cleaned them up and everything. I put some bath salts in this one, and I put some bath sponges in here just to have something in there. But what about, you know, when the season comes, you can put pumpkins in there, and it's just a cute little display. Now, all of these pumpkins here came from the Dollar Tree. So, and this is the time of year that they will come in. These sell out so quick, super cute. They're hollow, but this little velvet-like material, and they just come in the most beautiful colors. I just love, this is a teal color. They had navy last year. They had burgundy. They had black, but these are cute. And if you know, are into like gold, you can always kind of paint them, do a little DIY, paint them gold, silver, black, whatever you want to do. But something like that, put them in a little vase or something, like you would not know that they came from the Dollar Tree. Great, you know, way to just kind of add the season into your space. And another idea, like you can have like a large bowl. Like right now I have this moss in here, but you know, when I get tired of that, I can just toss some pumpkins in there, or either just keep the moss in there. It really doesn't matter. However you like it, you know, you can arrange them in a bowl or something like that. Put them on your table and do a centerpiece if you're doing a tablescape, or not. It could just be, you know, a part of your everyday look. But those are just nice little ways to just add in, you know, some of the earthy fall elements into your home. And those are really good investments. I mean, they are well, last year they were $1, now they'll be $1.25, but you know, that's good. And they last year over year over year. I've had these already for several years. So those are good investments to pick those up. Also, Hobby Lobby has all their fall on sale now. I believe it's 40% off. And then for summer, they have things 66% off. So it's time to go to Hobby Lobby if you're looking for some fall things. And Ross has, it's not their 49-cent sale, but maybe it is. But they have some deep discounts. Like I showed, those pillows were $6. I've seen people that said they have gotten summer stuff, you know, dirt cheap summer decor, things like that, like especially like for your patio and stuff like that, for like a couple dollars and stuff. So that's really all for my video. Just a chit chat video, not to entice you to go out there and spend some money, because I'm not going out there spending any money. I'm just sharing. Sharing is caring. But I hope you enjoyed this little chit chat video. I'm just kind of thinking things through out loud as to what I'm going to be doing in my home. But one thing's for sure and two things for certain: it won't involve spending a whole lot of money. So if you liked this video and you enjoyed it today, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not currently subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It is absolutely free, does not cost you anything, and I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. As you can see, I'm already thinking fall, so I'm gonna have a whole lot of decorating content coming forward really soon on fall decor. I'm super excited about that and sharing that piece, so you don't want to miss out. So I hope to see you all over here on my next one. Bye-bye.